Pero ano bang dasal mo talaga para sa mga anak mo? Or ano talaga yung lagi mong pinagdarasal?
Una sa lahat, lahat ng dasal ko lagi is I'm very thankful that they grew up like that. You know, I have to say na Lian at saka si John, they did a great job sa mga bata. And now that I'm here, I'm just thankful that they actually accepted me again
Yes.
to be part of the family. At this stage kasi ano na sila eh, they're old enough. No. I'm just here to
Listen.
listen, to guide
Yep.
them if
Make
they
them
ask,
happy.
to make them happy. To make them happy. And walang papantay pa sa kasi. Of course, masaya ako. Pero nung nakita nung mama ko, yung dalawang apo niya, after a very long time, priceless. Priceless.
Ganda.
Sabi ko, Kuya Pao.